Okay folks, so what we have here is a Nissan Sentra. Won't start. Turns over, won't start, won't even buck, won't kick, won't do nothing. So after a little bit of research, I found out that I didn't have any fuel pressure. So I removed the back seat, and this terminal, look at it right there. Look how much green there is in that. Somehow, and you see the green sticking out there. That terminal is busted right off, stuck inside. So now, new fuel pump and a new pigtail, because I'll never get that cleaned good enough. So I got a new pigtail, new fuel pump. That'll be my next video. Does it solve it? I'm pretty sure it will. So if you want to see the results, stick around, watch my next video. Really appreciate all the feedback. Tell me what your thoughts are. That's what I'm going for. Yep. Should be a simple fix. Get her done and fire it up. That'll be next video. I'm supposed to be doing this sometime today or tomorrow, so you can be checking out for this video by Friday. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Leave a comment. Really helps. And we'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Alright. So, we got a new pigtail. Looks really, really nice. See all the nice shiny spots in there. So now, gotta take our old one, snip it, rewire it. I've got a brand new fuel pump to go in there. So, click, take that out, put a new fuel pump on there, and should be good to go. So, I'll do this step by step, one wire at a time, solder it in, heat shrink it, make sure it's good. I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done, and then we'll take the fuel pump out, put a new one in, click it, and make sure it works. So one step at a time. Alright, so step one done. Everything all soldered back up. I just got to put my heat shrink over, heat it up. But now you can see, nice plug versus yuck. So like I said, I'll show you all the steps. Bought this from a junkyard because you can't buy them no more, so they sold it to me 20 bucks. It's worth it. Cut the wires off, solder them. Now I'm going to heat shrink, and I'm going to remove the ring and get the tank swapped out. So I'll show you once I get the tank out. Then I'll show you again once it's all put back together, and we're gonna test it, make sure it fires. So catch me in a bit. Little side note, sorry about that. Make sure you blow all this out with a blowgun there before you start. You don't want no dirt. It's easier to vacuum out the car than it is the bottom of the tank, so do this and make sure you don't get it all over the place. Make sure you clean up your little fittings and stuff too. Make it a little easier. That should be good. So let me pop that ring off and unhook this line and get that tank out of there. Well, actually, pop the line off first, then the ring. We'll get that pump out of there. Okay, so after a bunch of beating around with screwdrivers and stuff and getting it to work, because I don't have the proper tool, so finally got it off. Before I pull this pump though, I can pull this ring off, okay? But you see there's still a bunch of dirt, okay? As I was trying to get that ring off and smash, and it freed up a bunch more dirt. So before I lift that, I'm going to blow it off again. Eliminate any possibilities of crap falling in this person's tank. So let's clean that off and pop this thing out. Little side note, make sure you don't forget. That little lock on the fuel pump, you want to reuse that. Mine didn't come with one, so Make sure you take that off, put it on the new one so it keeps it locked. Let's grab a boo, I'll show you. So, like I said, they don't have a new one. So just take the old one, slide it over, and boom. Now you're golden. Take that out of there. Fuel line. Slide it on. Boom. Good to go. The new harness. Let's get that plug on there. Boom. Okay. So, let's see if this thing, just like that. Now, let's see if this thing starts. Hope so. So, let's see if it fires up. Yeah. Always double check, make sure she's not leaking. Number one, that fixed it. So, now, put all this back together, clean up all my junk, and send him on his way. He'll be happy. Hope this helped you out, and hopefully you don't have to do this, but it's a process and needs to be done, so it's done. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. It really means a lot. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead, scrap that down below, and we'll see you in the next video.